Hey, just doing a quick pocket dump real quick. First off, got my Taurus 709, 7-round capacity, single stack, real thin for concealed carry inside the waistband. Next, I got my keys. Got a little O light on there. Got a Kershaw cinder, a knife and a bottle opener. Got a little money clip, real thin, discreet. Front pocket. Got a flashlight. It's a Maritac AAA ×2. Got 3 modes. And then my knife is a EICE Zancudo frame lock. Got a pretty deep clip, nice and thin. And then I'm filming this on my phone, and my phone is a Samsung. Y'all have a nice day and a good weekend.